Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on additional settings. Now let's enter date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, in order to manually set the date, time and time zone, we have to turn off the network provided time. So let's tap on those switchers in order to turn off this option, and now we can freely tap on date, and just by swiping pick the date we want to use. Let's tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and swipe to the time you'd like to set. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. We can also select the time zone, just tap on the region, and here we've got plenty of settings of options which we can pick. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it, and as you can see it will immediately appear right here. So let me get back, and under it we've got also some options which are connected to the time format and dual clock. So let me tap on time format, and as you can see right now we are using automatic one, but we can manually decide if we want to use 12-hour format or 24-hour format. So right now we've got 12-hour format, so let me pick 24-hour format. And as I said, here we've got the dual clock. Of course you can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher. Here you've got the second clock, so the same situation, you have to tap on the region and pick the one from which you would like to check the hour, the time. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on this switcher and this switcher, and that's all. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.